Man, I'm so tired. I can't wait to get some sleep. The hell was that? The fuck?